This is DJI Phantom 4, and today I'll show how you can change the video recording file format on this drone. So at the start, you will need to enter the camera feed of the DJI Go app. Now, locate and tap the icon below the shutter button or start recording button. Now make sure that you are in the video shooting mode by tapping this icon here and switch into actual video mode. Then at the top here, select the second icon that looks like a video camera, go into the video format selection and switch your file format between MOV or MOV and MP4. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.